Eric Miller coming at you again with JYD Industries. And recently I've been asked a lot of questions about the glass knife head. Can you get it separate? We already have drills. We don't need a drill, da-da-da-da-da. So I want to go over the glass knife kits that we have because we have 3 different versions of that. To answer that question, yes, the glass knife head can be purchased individually. The glass knife head is universal. You can see here, I don't care what drill or impact driver you have, red, blue, yellow, pink, green, I don't care. It will work in anybody's tool. So it's not specific to any one manufacturer, and you can buy this individually. Kit number 1 will come with the glass knife head. It will come with some glass cleaner that we actually say to use where you're going to be cutting to help lubricate that and cut down on some of the silica dust. You're also going to have some dust masks in there. I strongly encourage people to wear this or any type of respiratory protection, simply because as you're cutting a windshield or any type of glass, it's got silica in it. When silica gets in your respiratory system, it never evacuates. So we want to try and protect ourselves, and that's what the dust masks are for. You have a little pry tool for a starting point and to help pick it up. And that would be your the glass knife kit number 1, head only. If we introduce kit number 2, then we are now introducing a 12-volt drill. And a 12-volt drill will do this. Works just as well as anything else. And again, what you'll get is a battery, 12-volt drill, and the charger, and all the other accessories that I've already gone over with you. And then the third kit, so that's kit number 2. Kit number 3 will introduce an 18-volt drill. This is actually an impact driver, and as you see here, it goes in very nicely. It's got a 360-degree pivoting head, so once it's in the windshield and cutting, you don't need to take this out to reposition or get a better point. You just spin the drill, and it free flows 360 degrees. You can also see here how the blade operates. Very nice. It will literally cut through laminated glass like butter. If this blade happens to get beat up and destroyed over the years, this blade is replaceable. But again, we have kit 1, glass head only. Kit number 2, glass head with a 12 volt. Kit number 3, glass head with an 18 volt. Thank you.